Good evening and welcome to RC CRAY-Z, guys. Thank you for joining. This is just an introduction video into the newest hobby I'm getting into. I'm not a professional yet, obviously. I purchased this Net A8 about 6 or 8 months ago, and it's a 3D printer. I plan on using it for 3D printing whatever I can, as far as like drone parts, RC car parts, hoop frames, drone frames, just whatever random anonymous things that I can come up with and utilize in the hobby, the RC hobby with. As you can see, this is the first test run. It said it was a barrel, or a brush barrel it was called, the test run. And this is a very shortened version of it. I think it took about 6 hours. I stayed up really late with the printer, watching it and coming down and checking on it once an hour. This is going to be great. I've already gotten excited about watching. I've been already addicted to it, and I can't wait to get into it more. But there's a lot I need to learn still. I hope you guys enjoy this. Can't wait to keep on bringing more videos up of stuff that I build with this. And I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did, and just stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so this is my very first 3D printed product. Not sure what it is. It's some kind of it said a brush barrel, whatever that is. I'm guessing some kind of figure, maybe for a toothbrush holder of some kind. I don't know exactly yet, but we spent all day building this thing, and we have it all set up and working. This is at, oh, you can't really see it. There you go. It's at 27%. And it's been printing now for, I'd say, about 2 hours. So far, so good. See if I can get a close-up of what it looks like. It doesn't fill in solid. It leaves like kind of hollow waffle stuff in there, which is kind of cool. That way you don't waste all that. Let's see. Here's what the back looks like. That's really cool. And here's the spool. And this came with it. We had to put this together as well. Not sure how long this is going to take to print. I'm going to guess probably another 3 more hours maybe. And this printer is the Annette A8 printer. We got it from Amazon. And I purchased this like 6 or 8 months ago. And it's now the end of January, beginning of February. And I just didn't have time to put it together. I had a few days off of work, so we decided we were going to try putting it together. So we put it together, and now it's working. So this is pretty cool. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to see the final product. I don't know what it's going to be yet, so it's going to be a surprise. Oh, this is at 57%. That's crazy. This thing's so cool. %. Can't wait to see what it looks like. This is at 97%. That's pretty crazy. We're at 99%.
Almost done. A 100%. Wow. That is crazy. 100% done.